How to fix laptop battery draining after a shutdown. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your command prompt as an administrator and then run this command, that is power cfg.exe space slash hibernate and off. So after that, the next step is go to control panel and then search for power options and then go to system settings. After that, in this when I press the power button, in the sleep section, simply tap or select shutdown like this and save changes and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.